Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Skillshare TV. Today we're gonna talk about 5 English movies that can help you improve your English language skills. Watching movie is not only a great way to relaxation, but it is also an excellent way to learn English and improve your English language skills. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just do it and you can get my every incoming new videos. So let's get started. The first movie on our list is The Social Network. This movie is about the founding of Facebook and tell the story of Mark Zuckerberg. The dialogue in the movie are fast-paced and conversational, which make it a great movie to improve your English listening skills, and the characters also use a lot of informal language, which is a great way to how English is spoken in casual conversation. The second movie on our list is The King's Speech. This movie is based on the true story of King George VI and who had a speech impediment, and the movie showcased the process the king went through to overcome the stammers and deliver a speech. Actually, this movie is great for improving your pronunciation and speaking skills. You have learned how to articulate words and improve your dictions by observing the king's speech therapist in the movie. The third movie on our list is The Pursuit of Happiness. The third movie is based on the true story of Chris Gardner, a struggle salesman who becomes homeless with his son. The fourth movie on our list is Good Will Hunting. This movie is about a young man named Will Hunting and who is genius but as a janitor, and the movie shows how he's get discovered by a professor and how his life changes. This movie is about a young man, and the dialogue in the movie are challenging, which make it a great movie to improve your English critical thinking skills, and you can learn how to express your thoughts and opinions clearly by observing the conversation between characters. And the fifth movie on our list is The Devil Wears Prada. This movie is about a recent college graduate who landed a job as assistant to the editor of a high fashion magazine. The movie shows how the assist learn to navigate the fashion path and demanding world of fashion. The dialogue in the movie are formal and professional, which make it a great movie to improve your English business language skills. So there you have it, our list of 5 English movies. You can help you improve your English language skills. Remember, your key is not just to watch the movies, but you also observe and learn from the dialogues and conversation between the characters. So you can learn how to communicate professionally and effectively by observing the interaction between the characters, and hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for such a more informative videos. Thanks.